Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are making this semo and we want to make it the fail-proof method without any form of lumps. So the first thing you want to do is to set water on fire. Once you do that, you bring the semo you want to make. I'm just making a little quantity of semo, but trust me, this method is going to work for you no matter the quantity. So what you want to do first is to separate this into two, divide it into two. You mustn't have to be exact with the division, but just what I mean to say is that you bring out a certain portion and reserve this one in the pink bowl for later. This one I just brought out in a green bowl. You get some room temperature water and dissolve it in that room temperature water. Please take good note of this step. You must dissolve it in room temperature water, not warm water and not hot water. So bring it to about this consistency. This is like pancake batter consistency. So just bring it to any consistency very close to this. So once the water boils, we start the process. You take out a little portion of this water. This little portion I'm taking out is going to be doing another magic that I'll tell you guys later in this video. So having taken that part out, we're going to be stirring in this dissolved part into the boiling water. If you stir in your raw, dry semo into boiling water, trust me, it's going to have lumps. But if you try it this way, it's going to be sure lump free. It's absolutely fail-proof. So keep stirring for about 30 seconds. Definitely, if you're handling a much larger quantity, you have to wait for 1 minute or 1 minute plus. But for this, I'm stirring it for 30 seconds. And after this, I'm going to cover it to cook for another 30 seconds before we continue the process. After 30 seconds of cooking, uncover the pot, stir it again, and look at the consistency, guys. Some people like their swallows this soft, but I don't like mine this way. So because I don't like it this way, I'm going to stir in some more of the dry semo. Watch me. So basically keep adding the dry semo until you bring it to the thickness that you like. I like mine somehow like this. So, but if you like it thicker and stronger, you can add some more of the dry semo. But we are not done yet. Once you bring it to the consistency or thickness that pleases you, there's still one more step you need to take. Why? To make it healthy and again to ensure that if you're not going to finish your semo on that day, it's still going to remain fresh for the next 1 or 2 days. So while we're waiting to learn that next step, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get all my recipes once I upload, okay? And please don't forget to click on the like button and share this video to family and friends. So thank you for doing that. Right now, this is the hot water I took out before cooking. I'm going to add a little bit of it to the base of the pot and I'll cover it to cook. This is the step that ensures that it's well cooked, healthy for consumption, and it can last longer than just a few hours, okay? So once you do this, stir it, turn it properly, like use your turning stick very well and turn the semo properly. After turning it, you are sure you have a lump-free semovita. No matter the quantity you're handling, once you use this formula, you're going to have it lump-free. Trust me, and you can quote me on that. The first few times I tried to make semo for a large number of people, it failed and it made me waste semo. So I decided to share this with you guys so you don't waste it like I did, okay? So I want to hear some thank you from you. Thank you so much for watching. I love you as always. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. God bless you. Bye-bye.